How to log into Bank of America online banking website. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are about to provide you with a step-by-step method that you can follow up for that so that you can log in. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Open up our browser for that and we can head over to the official website, which is Bank of America. This one right here, www.bankofamerica.com, and head over there and open it up. Now, once we open it up, this is our home page, which will directly open up on our screen. So we just need to find the sign in option here. In the top right corner, you can find it, or within this page, we can easily find an option called option where we can log in. So we just need to click on this option first of all, provide in a user ID or your online ID username, and right below it, we need to provide in a password. So go ahead and type it in, and we also have this option called Save User ID. You can check this option, which is optional for your personal device, and click on this option called Login or Sign In. And after that, once you do so, you may need to enter verification code sent to your email or phone and answer a security question as well. You can confirm up your identity and sign in into Bank of America. Alternatively, you can also open up the Bank of America application and follow the same process, or use the fingerprint or face ID if enabled. And also we have this option called Forgot User ID and Password. We can use this option right here if we've forgotten our password. And then again, recreate your password and head back to the login page and sign in into your account. And always use the official website to avoid the random links, and do not log in onto public or shared computers. And that's it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.